There is one form of exercise that is actively accelerating your biological age after 45. It's probably in your current routine. It's recommended by almost every mainstream fitness source, and the science on why it's counterproductive for your age group has been available for years, but nobody in the fitness industry wants to really talk about it. And that's because it's been their signature offering for years and years and years. I'm talking about chronic, high-intensity cardio, and I want to explain carefully and specifically why the problem isn't cardio itself, but how it's being prescribed to the over 45 body, people like you. Now, you might do your HIIT class, maybe you've run 5 times a week, perhaps you're on the spin bike for 45 minutes for full intensity 3 evenings a week after work. You're working hard, you're sweating, and yet your body isn't changing. You're not seeing any progress. You don't seem to make strides forward the way you're expecting to. Maybe it initially changed, and after a period of time, it stopped. You feel permanently exhausted, you're irritable, and you're more prone to illness than you did before. Now, this isn't a motivation problem. This is cortisol, and you're chronically spiking it. In this video, I'll show you exactly what happens hormonally to a body over the age of 45 when it does sustained high-intensity training, and why it produces the opposite effect of what you actually want, and what the evidence actually supports for true fat loss, energy and longevity for people like you at this stage of your life. I'm Hendricks, and after 30 years of coaching men and women just like you, the single most common pattern I see for new clients who are really putting in the work, exercising hard, is overtraining combined with under-recovering. Or if they're not overtraining, it's not doing any exercise for a long period of time, then coming back and jumping into high-intensity workouts, that chronic cardio, high intensity, that's almost the center of their main problems that they see. Now, here's what happens physiologically when you do 45 minutes of high intensity cardio on a stressful day after 6 hours of work, minimum sleep at the age of maybe 49. Your body interprets that training as stress, and the additional threat laid on top of the existing cortisol load triggers certain triggers. It does not distinguish between that professional stress and that physical stress that you do in the gym. Both elevate cortisol, both tell your body to hold on fat, both break down muscle, both conserve energy. The result, paradoxically, is that exercise designed to burn fat is triggering that exact hormonal event that actually holds it, keeps onto it. And because high intensity training takes longer to recover for the over 45, maybe going to your 50s, 60s, you carry that cortisol elevation for 28 to 48 hours over each session. What the evidence of support instead is doing what we call zone 2 training. That's moderate intensity, conversational paced exercise, doing that for 30 to 45 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Combining that with maybe 2-3 strength training sessions a week. This is an optimal blend and mix for the over 45 who wants to improve longevity, health, and improve their composition, get their fat percentage down. This is not a case for doing less. This is a case for doing what's right for the over 45 body. The over 45 body responds to an intelligent stimulus, adequate recovery, and you've heard me say it before, your fitness without the right frequency and consistency is flawed and foolish. So consistency is far better for your body to respond than doing high intensity punishment, which a lot of people fall for. I remember I worked with a client, Caroline. Caroline was 48 years of age. She was doing 5 HIIT sessions a week. She enjoyed it, but she was gaining weight despite eating healthily, watching her calories, and so on and so forth. We replaced those high intensity sessions with just 2 zone 2 exercise walks, so steady state walks a couple of times a week, combining that with some strength training, and within 6 weeks she'd lost over 6 pounds. Her energy levels outside of work, outside of training, had doubled. She felt great. All we did was just amend her sessions. We got her doing less, but training at the right sort of intensity, and she felt far better, dramatically better. Now, the fitness industry will keep selling you that high intensity, that boot camp style, no pain, no gain workout. Why? Because it's commercially useful and it feels like effort equals results. But you're older now. After 45, that equation starts to break down. Smarter training, built around your biology and where you're at this stage of life, is where the real progress lives. Now, if that sounds like you, why don't you download the 7 Real Reset Roadmap from the link in description below. It includes the movement and the framework I start with all my clients to get them on the road to recovery feeling better. Remember to check back here every week on the channel as we bring new videos that are helpful for you. Also, remember to subscribe and share this with someone who's pushing hard and wondering why it isn't working and they're not seeing the results. I'll see you on the next one.